Homemade beef burger made easy. Ingredients: 1/2 tablespoon olive oil. 1 onion, peeled and finely chopped. 1 500-gram pack beef steak, minced, preferably with 15% fat. 1 teaspoon mixed dried herbs. 1 egg, beaten. 4 white rolls. Few round lettuce leaves, torn. 1 beef tomato, sliced. 4 slices mature cheddar, optional. Ketchup, to serve, optional. Method. Step 1. Heat the olive oil in a frying pan, add the onion and cook for 5 minutes until softened and starting to turn golden. Set aside. Step 2. In a bowl, combine the beef mince with the herbs and the egg. Season it, add the onions and mix well. Using your hands, shape into 4 patties. Step 3. Cook the burgers on a preheated barbecue or griddle for 5 to 6 minutes on each side. While the second side is cooking, lay a slice of cheese on top to melt slightly, if using. Step 4. Meanwhile, lightly toast the cut sides of the buns on the barbecue. Fill with the lettuce, burgers, and tomato slices. Serve with ketchup, if you like.